happy as gods.
The test for all of Alabama, all of Arkansas, all of Iowa, all of Illinois, all of Kansas, all of Louisiana, all of Minnesota, all of Missouri, all of Mississippi, all of North Dakota, all of Nebraska, all of Oklahoma, all of South Dakota, all of Tennessee, all of Texas, and all of Wisconsin beginning at 11 a.m. and ending at 12 p.m. Test message pause open cap EAS speed configuration test message.
For the next 30 seconds, US 97 KQUS Hot Springs will be conducting a required weekly test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test.
This is a test. Radio station KVRE is conducting a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. Testing the emergency alert system. If this had been an emergency, the attention signal you just heard would have been followed by information, news, or instructions. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Join us, everyone.
This is a test of the emergency activation system. This is only a test.
Central Arkansas at Little Rock. This is a test of the National Weather Service Hazardous Weather Warning System. You
You can hear warnings direct from the National Weather Service over the No Weather Radio All Hazard System. Tests of this warning system on No Weather Radio are made each Wednesday between the hours of 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a possibility of severe weather, the tests will be delayed until the next available good weather day. No Weather Radio All Hazards is equipped with a warning service called SAME, which is short for Specific Area Message Encoder. SAME allows people with special receivers to be notified of watches or warnings affecting only the county desired. SAME radios are especially useful for schools, hospitals, businesses, government agencies, and radio and television stations. This has been a test. At the end of this test, regular programming will resume.